Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my podcast. This is SVR Sai Krishna's Echo. Welcome to my IPL Diaries. Today I would like to talk about the team CSK. As you all know, one of the favorite teams and consisting of Indian dynamic legends like MS Dhoni the Great, Suresh Raina, great all-rounder, Ravindra Singh Jadeja. Everyone, a great team of combination. We had seen the dedication of overseas player like former all-rounder of Australia, Shane Watson. With a bleeding knee, he has done a miracle against Mumbai Indians. Result was not to what they have expected, but Watson was amazing, sensational in batting. With Fab du Plessis, a great team was born, and also with the Indian all-round taste of Ravindra Jadeja, Kedar Jadhav, and Harbhajan Singh coming inside. And also we have Piyush Chawla this time coming in for you. CSK team, a great player, Piyush Chawla for India. Then we have auction pitch this time, overseas Prof Sam Curran, Piyush Chawla as an Indian leg spinner, highest leg spinner rated, as they wanted a substitute for Harbhajan Singh, maybe as a Chennai track is a spin track. Then you have Mohit Sharma, and you have like to name Josh Hazelwood, Australian speed star. Maybe he has given a great BBL performances. That's why team has recruited him. This is overall CSK team. This time it is actually a great team. They could again win, but the lack is the pace department of CSK, where they have to work. Like you have only spacers like Deepak Chahar is a pacer. Then you have Josh Hazelwood as a pacer. You have KM Asif as a pacer. You have Dwayne Jake Bravo as a pacer. Then all this spin taste of Imran Tahir. Then Piyush Chawla. Then Harbhajan Singh. And left hand of Jakarti, and Sam Curran will make a great option in bowling as a pace bowler. This is a variety where you get in the grounds of UAE, like Abu Dhabi, it may be Sharjah, it may be Dubai International Cricket Stadium. This is where all the pitches where players have been played actually. CSK has a great record overseas also. Last time when they played in 2014, I guess they had 5 on 5 wins. Highest by any team. They didn't lose a single match in the 5 games because of leadership of MS Dhoni. The only thing I guess CSK will lack is maybe one more pacer if required, if the game is not going well, or any injury replacements for the buys like Piyush Chawla could be a buried by. If you can't replace such great players like Sam Curran, if he is injured now, you may not have a great season. So guys, this is what I have at Chennai. Yeah, I would like to give the all-time Chennai 11 predicted for first game against Mumbai. Here we go. First I go with Shane Watson, opener, and also Fab du Plessis. Then coming Suresh Raina as a third number 3. Then comes legend MS Dhoni. Then comes Ravi Jadeja. Then comes Dwayne Jake Bravo. Then comes Sam Curran. I would like to play with Sam Curran. Then Imran Tahir as UAE pitches are pace. I would like to go with a pace-oriented experiment. Then I have Piyush Chawla. Then I have Harbhajan Singh. Then I will go with Deepak Chahar and KM Asif. These are the great 11 team what I can make for the first game. This is my ideology. Tomorrow I will be sharing you more updates again, IPL diaries. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay happy guys. Bye bye.